Like the extra skin. Woo!
Dude, don't break.
Martin's already making fun of him, dude. We're like 3 seconds in.
It's awesome. Niemann, welcome to my bike check. Got the. Alright, to start off, we got some super hacked Stranger cable convex grips. And then just the bar ends that they came with. And for bars, we've got the S&M Foo Bars 9-inch rise for stem. We've got the BSD stack stem, and we got this light I found on Amazon. Kind of cool.
Keep the cops away.
Yeah. We got just a stock fit headset from on my bike with stock. Some random ass spacers. For forks, we've just got some stock fit forks. Also one from my bike with stock. Then we got some Odyssey, just random pegs. Over here, just some random pegs Mo gave me. Ranger Tomorrow seats, pretty old.
Does it smell
Pretty
yet?
worn.
Does it smell
Yeah,
yet?
it smells. For tires, we've got the Colt Vans tires, gum, black sidewall. Rims, we've got the Odyssey Hazard lights, sprocket, just got a fit sprocket, fit cranks, and then Odyssey twisted PCs, pedals. I have a camera, bro. Taking pictures of everyone, bro. Last but not least, we got the frame. It is a Federal Lacey V1. Pretty steezy. Yeah, it's aqua blue, that's what it is. And we got a BSD bottom bracket. I don't remember what it is called because the guy that I bought this frame from just said, I'll put a brand new BSD bottom bracket in there for you. So I was like, alright. Thanks for watching my bike check. Subscribe to Jeff. And my Instagram will be right here.
Where?
If you want to see more
Right there,
of this
bro.
sexy stuff.
Where? And the sexy dude.
That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Gonna be a lot of bloopers.